Hey everyone, having trouble logging into Cloud AI? In this video, I'll show you how to fix common Cloud AI login issues step by step. Yeah, whether you're dealing with incorrect passwords, loading problems, or account access errors, these solutions can help you get back in quickly. First, check your login information carefully. Make sure you're entering the correct email address and password connected to your Cloud AI account. Even a small typing mistake can prevent you from signing in. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the instructions sent to your email and create a new password to regain access to your account. Next, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Cloud AI from loading properly. Try refreshing the page, restarting your router, or switching to a different network. If the login page is not working, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old stored data can sometimes cause problems when accessing websites. After clearing the cache, restart your browser and try logging in again. You can also try using a different browser or opening Cloud AI in private or incognito mode. This helps check if browser extensions or saved settings are causing the issue. If you use Google, Microsoft, or another sign-in method, make sure you are choosing the same login option you originally used when creating your account. Using a different method can sometimes create access problems. If the problem continues, check whether Cloud AI services are temporarily unavailable or contact support for additional help. So, checking these common issues first can save you time, and that's how you fix Cloud AI login issues. By following these steps, you can solve most common login problems and get back to using your AI tools. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.